Let's customize another Hot Wheels and let's watch this thing turn into this one. So isabay na natin yung iba pa nating Hot Wheels na i-customize para hindi sayang yung effort. Medyo yellowing na rin. So gamitan natin ang mga to ng hydrogen peroxide. Ganda ng shape. So again, hugasan natin para matanggal yung mga metal residue. And babaran natin ng hydrogen peroxide yung mga nag-yellowing na part ng plastic. Patuyuin na natin. Okay, so gamitan natin na itong super tanggal na paint stripper ang ating mga Hot Wheels para malinis nating matanggal itong mga pintura niya. Medyo ingat lang dahil masyado matapang tong chemical na to. As much as possible, dalasan nyo yung paghugas ng kamay. Nangihinayang ako dun sa logo ng Ferrari. Kaya lang, ganun talaga kapag nagko-custom paint ka, there are sacrifices. So after leaving this sa ilalim ng araw for 24 hours, ayan, nawala na yung kanyang yellowing. So I still have no idea kung anong magandang paint ang ilalagay natin. But let's try this gold. I don't think I like it. Parang hindi maganda yung pagka-gold niya. I don't like the outcome. Hindi maganda yung pagka-gold. Pero try pa rin nating i-assemble. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm really not a fan of it. Not really a fan of it. Kahit ito, hindi rin maganda yung kinalabasan. I'm not sure kung dahil sa quality ng ating gold paint or talagang, ayun, parang may mga black spots. Pero, shinake naman natin siya maigi. So, ayan, i-reset natin ang ating car. In-strip ko ulit yung paint and we're going to try red naman ngayon. Let's hope it works. Ayan, parang mas maganda nga ang red. Okay, so let's go with red. Ayan, mas gusto ko yung kinalabasan nung red kesa sa gold. Now let's try to assemble this. Let's see how it goes. So far, I'm happy with the result. It looks way better kesa dun sa gold. So let's continue with our assembly. And by the way, yung isang Ferrari na dinisassemble natin kanina, custom paint sana natin. Kaya lang, napansin ko parang ayos pa yung paint niya. So later on sa next part, yun naman ang ating i-assemble. But I guess it would be better kung i-restore na lang natin siya. Medyo minimal lang kasi yung damage. I think mukhang bagay itong gold chrome na mag wheels para sa ating custom project. And guys, it's available on our yellow basket down below. Baka interested kayo. Ang ganda oh. Bagay na bagay yung chrome na mag wheels. I think I'm happy with the result of this. So isunod naman natin, lagay natin mga stickers or decals. And mapapansin nyo, we don't have Ferrari logo, but I guess this one, it would look good enough. And by the way, you can buy these Hot Wheels sa Ukay sa Quezon City for only 10 pesos, believe it or not. So medyo nakakarami na tayo ng mga nako-customize na Hot Wheels from Ukay, and some are our old stocks. And yeah, I think I'm happy with the result. What do you think, guys? If you want to see more custom Hot Wheels and Hot Wheels restoration, please like and follow for more. And with that, thank you very much for watching. Parang maganda rin kung may ilaw sa loob, ano? Well, in the future, pag-isipan natin kung paano natin siya lalagyan ng ilaw sa loob. I think I like it. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching. God bless po and bye-bye.